What a beautiful world it would be if people had hearts like dogs. A dog is very principled. A dog has a very honest mind and heart. To the honor, the dog gives full love, while the dog also thinks the honor loves it the way he's offering the love. But it's not. In fact, the dog thinks that the way the honor shows love is the way it is showing love to other people. Be very careful with people who love dogs. Watch between the line how they treat human beings. They treat their dogs so well that even they treat human beings badly. But the dogs, once the dog loves you, the dog knows that it is everything. The dog can die for you, trying to protect you and so on. So the world would be so beautiful if we all had hearts like dogs.